Pawan sir, should I be applying to Canadian universities right now? Will I be getting my visa?
Yes, you will be.
Aren't you following the news?
Yes, I am following the news, but there's a difference between facts and rumors. Let's look at some of the facts. Despite of the diplomatic tension between the two countries, the student visa application process is not effective. In fact, Canada has seen the record number of applications coming in from Indian students for their spring intake for 2024. Another thing to look at is for the students who are already studying over there. The students are receiving equal amount of opportunities when it comes to their projects or internships and also job opportunities. So this is also not effective. So there is no reason for any student to not apply to Canadian universities for the spring intake or the fall intake for the coming year. In fact, we encourage students to apply to the entire application process. And with IMS Venturi, we will help you to simplify the entire application process. Also, we sincerely request you to look at all the genuine facts and information that are available on internet. To help you with this, we are providing you with a link in the description that will help you with all the factual and the actual information for the same.